Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Crypto asset manager Grayscale has added 35 crypto altcoins, including Dogecoin, Worldcoin, Pyth and Rune, to a list of assets that are under consideration for future investment products. Intel and AMD said they are forming a group to help make sure software works across their chips, responding to a rising challenge from ARM Holdings. Intel invented what is known as the x86 computing architecture, a technology that for 40 years has powered the world's laptops. Gold edged higher, lifted by retreating treasury yields, while investors cautiously awaited more data that could offer fresh clues on the Federal Reserve's monetary easing cycle. Spot gold rose 0.5%. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The dollar dropped 0.3% against the yen in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The UK's core consumer price index will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's exports at 23.50 GMT. The US export price index at 12.30 GMT. The UK's consumer price index will be released at 6 GMT. Italy's consumer price index at 8 GMT. Germany's 30Y bond auction at 9.30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.